Hello everyone, what I would like to cover today will be covering on when is the time to replace your tires. Most of the people or consumer will tend to use the tire until you see something like this. Okay, this is very dangerous. This is strictly not recommended. If you are comparing two tires, this is brand new and this is worn out. And how do you see the tire needs to be replaced? If you see carefully here, there is a tread wear indicator. Every tire has a tread wear indicator. Okay, and when you see the tread versus the tread wear indicator is same level, that is the time to replace the tire. And as far as this is concerned, you have seen this tire actually worn until excessively on the shoulder. So this is not recommended, okay, to use until something like this. And we will say this tire will hydroplane or aquaplane easily in the rain. When you want to inspect a tire, if you just look at outside, it might look perfectly okay because you don't see things like excessive wear, even exposed cord. These are the things that you don't see. So we would normally advise consumer to actually look at your tire from the inside. This side has worn excessively. Usually happen to rear-wheel drive car. Rear-wheel drive car, you can have this type of situation. This is extremely bad, okay, and very dangerous. Anytime this tire will have a blowout. The next question, many will ask, is this a tire failure? Actually, these are not tire failure. It's just the design of the vehicle is meant to have a negative camber. So when you have a negative camber, this is how the tire is worn. Okay, of course, the advantage of negative camber will be the car will be very stable when you do your corners. Next tire, what you can see here, excessive wear on the inner shoulder. This is caused by toe out alignment, okay, whereby the car, what is toe out? Toe in, okay, if this is the front of the car, toe in will be something like this, and this is toe in. If it's toe out, it will be like this. Okay, this is how it looks when your car drives straight, okay, and the tire is actually rolling this way. That's why you have an excessive wear on this side. So this is a toe out situation, and of course, the owner also use the tire until it's very warm. Now we are looking at a piece of UHP tires, and if these tires are fitted to cars which are high powered, sometimes the shoulder of the tire will have chipping issues. This is pretty common. Most manufacturers will not consider this as a product defect. In fact, this is also based on the place where you normally drive the car. This could also affect the tire to have a chipping on the shoulder. At the end of the day, no matter what tire you select for your fitment, the most important thing is you need to know how to take care of the tires. The fundamentals, of course, the most basic things will be proper inflation level. Once you have a proper inflation level, your tire should be able to wear properly so that it doesn't have a shoulder wear excessively or over inflation, which will have a crown wear. And every 10,000 kilometers, just perform the alignment and balancing and tire rotation. That will ensure you will have a tire which can serve you throughout the life of it. And that will also give you very much a pleasure driving with your car and enjoy your traveling. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like our video. Till then, goodbye.